Doxell says, Labour lost the Industrial Revolution. That was a quote from him when I first met him. And that meant that, our muscle power was replaced by machines. And we adapted and we adopted the industrialization. And now we live in a highly industrialized world. We're not sort of farmers and craftsmen anymore. Maybe we are, but largely manufacturing has been replaced and automated and replaced the machinery. But now the machines have artificial intelligence. And will we be displaced or will we be augmented? Or is there another alternate? And so that is the conversation that I think people should be having on May Day. May Day also is a distress call. And maybe that's what we should be shouting. Hey, we are in a crisis and we need an intervention. And Kwaai is such an intervention. We say it's an altruistic intervention, the same sort of intervention we make when we see that the game of Monopoly, the board game, is approaching its end state, where we're rushing headlong towards game over. We don't want to rush towards game over. We're also not advocating revolution. We just want the game to go longer because we're having fun. And so that's what we're playing at. That window of opportunity, that May Day distress call is something that we need to respond to in a timely fashion. You can't rely on government to protect you from the excesses of big tech. There's no cavalry coming. You are the cavalry. So here's how you can help. You can join, develop. You just give us your time. That's what's more valuable than anything else. So join up. You can develop. You can build policy. You can be part of a technical think tank and a policy think tank. And if you don't have time, we'll reluctantly take your money. And you can do that by donating, sponsoring, or even investing. And we'll tell you about the investment opportunities and how we're approaching the whole nurturing of a startup ecosystem built on top of Kwaai. And if you have neither time nor money, just spread the word and be part of the change.